What are the best types of web traffic sources that will help you reach more people, segment your audience, and improve the ROI of your marketing strategies? In this video, we'll go through 9 different types of web traffic sources, and stick around for the end because we have a free bonus for you. Let's jump right in. Before we take a look at the first traffic source, keep in mind that knowing the different traffic sources that bring people to your site will help you understand how to improve it. Also, to properly analyze web traffic, you must be able to distinguish between the total number of visits during a given period and the number of unique visitors, since the same person may visit the site several times. You should also take into account factors related to the quality of the visit, such as duration or number of page views. With that said, let's start with number 1, organic traffic. Organic traffic is the number of visitors who enter a website after doing a search on Google or other search engines and click on one of the links on the results page. This type of web traffic can account for a very significant percentage of visits in the long run. To get more organic traffic, you'll need to implement an SEO or search engine optimization strategy. It is often said that organic traffic is free, but this is not entirely true. Although you are not paying directly for each click, optimizing your website for SEO involves an initial investment of time and resources, as well as some maintenance. Number 2, direct traffic. Direct traffic includes visitors from several different origins: people who directly typed your website's URL into their search bar, people who have saved your website's URL in their favorites and arrived through there, and people who have clicked on a link in a non-indexed document or an opened email. In order to not lose potential direct traffic, your URL should be clean, simple, and easy to remember. You can also invite users to bookmark your site for future visits. Number 3, referral traffic. This type of traffic refers to people entering a website by clicking on a link from another site like a blog or forum. Increasing referral traffic involves participating in active link building activities like guest blogging or submitting your site to directories. However, it's crucial to take into account Google's policies on links to avoid possible penalties. Number 4, email marketing. If you're doing email marketing campaigns, you can measure success by tracking how many visitors come to your site through your campaigns. Email marketing management programs provide plenty of information about your delivery rate, open rate, clicks on links, total clicks, unique leaks, and much more. To improve web traffic from email marketing, we recommend 2 best practices. Conduct A/B tests with different versions of the same email to optimize factors such as subject, images, or the time when the emails are sent out. And secondly, use email marketing automation solutions to manage the whole process more efficiently. We have a video covering the best practices and tips for your email marketing strategy that we'll link to in the description down below. Number 5, social networks. This traffic source refers to visitors who arrive after clicking on a social media post. You can distinguish between the different social networks, and you can go deeper into the data on clicks and interactions. Don't underestimate the power of a viral social media post. Number 6, paid media. This type of traffic refers to visitors who arrive after clicking on a pay-per-click ad on a social network. Social media ads, for example, Facebook ads or TikTok ads, can effectively attract visitors to your site and give you statistics on how users behave when they arrive to your website. Social ad platforms also provide you with a lot of data about your campaigns, like information about demographic and user interests. If you want to learn more about social media advertising, click the video right here. Number 7, paid search. This category includes users who come to your website after clicking on an ad from PPC platforms like Google Ads. Remember that these platforms incorporate different types of ads and locations. For example, with Google Ads, you can place an ad in search results, launch a campaign on YouTube, or place banners on third-party sites, among other options. In order to properly evaluate the results, you will have to distinguish between different types of campaigns. Search engine ads are a very effective way of getting short-term traffic and an excellent complement to organic positioning or SEO strategies. To optimize results, pay close attention to keywords and location targeting. Number 8. So far, all the types of traffic we have mentioned come from digital channels, but it's also possible for visitors to come to your website through offline sources. This would include things like a business card, a print advertisement in a newspaper, or what we call outdoor advertising, aka billboards, posters, and more. Number 9, other campaigns. Finally, you may be able to identify traffic coming from web campaigns that don't exactly fit into any of the other traffic sources we've discussed so far. To do this, we recommend creating tracking URLs that associate each campaign to a unique URL. Tracking URLs allow you to filter traffic according to unique URLs and attribute it to the correct campaign. You can do this using HubSpot and other tools. And there you have it. These are 9 traffic sources that can help you grow your website and blog. If you need a push to start growing your traffic through one of these sources, we recommend checking out our free ebook with 10 strategies to improve your SEO ranking. These strategies are based on our experience with Cyberclick's website and our clients, and you can get it for free in the description below. If you found this video useful, drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos about digital and inbound marketing. Thanks for watching.